This lesson is all about the power of yet. So when we don't feel confident in our learning, we might say we can't do something. For example, we might say, we can't draw a self-portrait, or we can't do long division. Saying these sentences can encourage us to have a fixed mindset, and this perspective can be demotivating and cause us to give up. A scientist called Carol Dweck talked about the power of yet in a TED talk. Yet is a simple word, but it can help us change our perspective. By adding yet to a can't do sentence, we are opening up the possibility that we will be able to do the skill if we practice it. For example, I can't draw a self-portrait yet, or I can't do long division yet. Adding yet can help us have a growth mindset and encourage us to put effort into our learning. So what can't you do yet?